Welcome. In this video, we will be presenting a fictitious car rental application which demonstrates our damage documentation technology based on 3D models, photography, and video. This technology can be used to document damages on any kind of movable asset. We will also be demonstrating advanced UI development using Qt, QML, and the Lightning Objects framework. This combination is ideally suited for man-machine interface applications in an industrial context, which are deployed on mobile or embedded platforms and used through touch interaction. The demonstration is performed on a Windows tablet computer. The application can also run on iOS and Android devices and on desktop platforms. The screen you have been seeing in the background so far represents a fictitious car rental application. It demonstrates form-based data entry by allowing to establish rental contracts for a given car, rental period, and customer. When a rental contract is in the created state, meaning the car has not been handed over yet, a button appears in the upper right corner, which, when pressed, will take us to the car checkout screen. This is where things really get interesting. The checkout screen consists of two subscreens. The first subscreen shows a 3D model of the selected car on which damage markers can be placed. We will come back to this in a moment. The second subscreen shows a checklist and a signature area. We will briefly explain this later on as well. You can move between the subscreens using the buttons at the top right. There are buttons at the top left that take you back to the previous main screen or to the top menu. The damage inspection screen shows a 3D model of the selected car. The model can be moved about freely in order to uncover every area of the body. The two circular figures on the front passenger door represent previously created damage markers. The corresponding damage records are listed on the right of the screen. The currently selected damage is highlighted in yellow. Every damage record can hold a textual description and an unlimited number of pictures or videos. We can look at the damage details by either double-clicking on the marker or clicking on the camera icon in the damage list. The damage details dialog shows the damage type on the left. Every damage must at least be assigned a damage type. The list of available damage types is configurable according to application requirements. To the right, you can browse through the already attached damage documents. In this case, we have an empty description, a photography, and a video. We can play the video right in place. When we navigate to the last document screen, we can add more videos or photographies. We will add another photography by clicking the photo icon and subsequently pressing the camera release button. You can switch between front and back camera using the button up here. The new photography is added to the list. We save our work and leave the dialog. Next, we want to create a new damage record. We do this by activating the damage creation tool and afterward clicking on where the damage is located. This again opens the damage details dialog. We select the damage type and proceed to record a video. When we press the Save button, the details dialog is closed, the new marker appears at the location we pointed to, and the new damage record is listed to the right. This concludes our demonstration of the damage inspection and documentation features. Our car rental checkout procedure is finalized by completing a checklist form. We move to the checklist by pressing the navigation button at the top right. The checklist is freely configurable according to concrete customer requirements. This configurability includes names, descriptions, and value types of checklist items. Once all checklist items have been filled out, the form can be closed by adding a signature and pressing the Save button. This concludes our demonstration. We hope you were able to get an idea of what can be achieved on mobile and embedded devices using the technologies we presented. Please note that the car rental application only provided a context for the demonstration. Many of the features you have seen can be applied to other areas just as well. We are willing to work with you to use these building blocks to find a solution for your concrete requirements. Thank you for watching.